It's the first snow in Texas that we've had in over a year, and so we're about to go on a nice icy adventure to Costco.
Why did you wear those shoes of all shoes? Why did you not just listen to me and wear your snow boots that we literally bought and paid money for? That's the emptiest Costco's ever been. The worst. Babe, what did I tell you about wearing these Crocs out here? Huh? Why? You bruh. That's the most carts I've ever seen. Ready? Let's go in.
Usually these aisles are full of busy shoppers, but there's literally no one here.
That's nice.
Never seen Costco this empty. It's like a zombie apocalypse, but it's just icy outside in Texas.
Everything is nice and neatly folded because there's no one here to mess it up.
It's so good.
Can't forget the pizza. Dang! The slushify! Oh, getting wet! I'm a good person. I'm gonna return the carts where they go. Unlike some people. What the heck? My pizza!